you plan to have this one for 20 plus years
Absolutely.
as well. So that goes into what you believe this OKK is going to provide for you, accuracy-wise, reliability-wise, flexibility-wise for the next 20 plus years, which is, by that time, you guys probably the kids taking over the company, right?
Yeah.
Welcome back to MTD CNC. Thank you all for tuning in. I am now standing in front of a massive OKK machine, and I can't be the only one that thinks about Little John when I hear OKK, or Tim the Toolman Taylor when I see a machine this size just wanting to grunt. And I got Lance with me, trying to make him smile a little bit. Usually not too difficult. He's got a good attitude, this guy, but we're gonna talk here at L&Z, a 70-year-old third-generation company, why they've recently invested in this gorgeous horizontal OKK machine. There are some standard rules that we know about chip evacuation and tool life, and the ability to create a finer finish with the chip evacuation, and the things that we know that go on with horizontal machining. But why specifically here? 70 years, third generation, a mold making company here in Jersey that is world famous for what you do. Why horizontal OKK?
We went to the horizontal OKK. This is actually a replacement machine. We had a 20-plus-year-old horizontal with dual pallet changer, very similar to this machine, different manufacturer. And it was getting age to it with a 50 taper spindle. Still a very strong machine, but things were starting to go wrong with it. So we went into the market, we went back to that manufacturer as well as a host of others. And we spoke with Nick. He said, I got the machine for you, as Nick typically does. And we said, all right, we want to go see it. So we took it to one of his customers and we saw it in action. We loved the envelope, we loved the setup, we loved the accessibility. Our previous machine did not have as much accessibility to the work area, as well as the access to the doors in your staging area. And like I said, we have a long history with horizontal machines. This has a full fourth axis. Once again, it's a 50 taper spindle. Chip evacuation, as you expressed before, is ideal. We do some deep cavities here. And if you're churning in a vertical, you're just churning chips. So they pour out of the cavity here, and you know, it's just been a great addition to our shop. We spoke about the 40 taper vertical machine, and I would say that in their own right, they're both excellent machines.
Lance, I gotta just bring up almost one of the first statements you made, but really sounded profound to me, was we had a machine 20 plus years, and you ended up changing it out for this one. So you know what I immediately gather is you plan to have this one for 20 plus years as well. So that goes into what you believe this OKK is going to provide for you, accuracy-wise, reliability-wise, flexibility-wise for the next 20 plus years, which is, by that time, you guys probably the kids taking over the company, right?
Yeah, yeah. No, we look for machines with longevity, brand name, well-known machines in the industry, and of course OKK is one of those names. We weren't going to replace it with a rinky-dink machine, let's put it that way. So this is what we ended up with. We saw it in action, and it just, the proof is in the pudding. It's been a great machine.
Yeah, I agree with that. And the next question I'm going to ask, I bet you guys are thinking it as well, because what comes when you think of, well, now I've replaced a machine that was 20 years here. I plan to have this one for another 20 years. The next question is, well, you've partnered with a company that you trust, that you've been working with for a long time, so you plan to have that same service and support for an additional 20 years because it's already been, how long, 20, 30 years you've worked with this company?
Absolutely. You never want service or support, but you always need it, and you need a company that's going to provide it. So along with their machine, they do have a great network of service and support.
And this is Maruka, this is Methods, this is your buddy Nick, you got Kevin here as well. Yep. I mean, these people have been with your family for a long time, haven't they? Absolutely,
absolutely. We've got a long-standing relationship. Goes beyond business to the personal level, and I got to say, Nick always has our best interests at heart, and that means a lot, because there's a lot of people that don't.
Yeah, and to be fair, if you're working And my question would be, and you still like the guys, and you do. So when you know you've been working with someone that long, you can count on it for the future as well. Because isn't that why we invest in these machines? Because you're investing in yourself, and you know that being one of the only mold making companies here in the US in the Jersey area, you know you want to have a significant influence moving into the future. And hopefully we bring molding back to the US as well, right?
That's the goal. That's the goal. Unfortunately, a lot of it fled. But the hope is to bring back whatever we can and be the best at it. And without good machines, you're nowhere.
Yeah,
So.
I mean, this is very well said by my buddy Lance here. I mean, incorporated all the aspects that he needs, from the history of the company of 70 years to third generation, one of 3 brothers now moving into the industry, knowing what it took to create success during the ups and downs, the hurdles over the last few decades of the offshoring and the reshoring and the nearshoring, to know it's a significant statement. I'm going to invest continually in Maruka, in OKK, because the future needs to be stable as well, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Could have said it better myself.
Lance, thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
conveying this message. It's really good to get to know you. And on behalf of MTD, and I'm sure Maruka as well, we wish you continued success for many more generations to come.
Thank you, Tony. We appreciate it.